Week 19, test corrections. Show 11:30 on the clock. 11:30, so my minute hand is pointing around the hour, which means my hour hand is halfway from 11 to 12. Write out this number, 3 and 15 hundredths. 3 and 15 hundredths. 2/3 of 60. Very pleased to see a number of you chose to do something like this. If the whole is 60, each part is 20. And how many do I want? 2 of them. 2 20s is 40. This diagram is critical. Please do this. 80 minus 750. Well, 80 minus 7 is 73. And if I take away 50 more cents, I'm at something less than 73, 72, 50. How many seconds in 4 minutes? That's 60 times 4. 6 times 4 is 24. There's the 0. Or I could go 60 plus 60 plus 60 plus 60. Many ways. How many more pigs are needed to have 57 pigs? Well, I have 50 pigs. I know this line is here, but I'm talking about pigs. And I want to go from 50 to 57. I need 7 more pigs. Write this number in expanded form. Here's my decimal. Here's my wholes, my parts. I have 4 tenths. Looks like this. 6 ones, 3 tenths, 100th, and 4 thousandths. 240 divided by 10. Simple as moving the decimal over one place. 24. 5 eggs shared 4 ways. So I know that I'm going to have more eggs than people. So I've got 5 eggs. I can do it this way. And I want to share it 4 ways. Each person, 1, 2, 3, 4. Everyone gets a whole egg. The last egg, we have to divide into fourths. And each person would get 1/4. If I were to go 5 divided by 4, I would get 1.25, which is 1 25 hundredths, which is 1 1/4. State the pattern rule. Okay, it's all the value equals your term times 4. How many thousands are in 482,000? Well, it's pretty clear, 482, but just for fun. And when I write this, I noticed some students were kind of confused, but I have 0. First 3 digits are 0, 0 in the 1, 0 in the 10, 0 in the 100, and 2 in the thousands, and 8 in the 10,000s. There's a 4 over here. Okay, how many thousands? I have 482,000. Or I can go 482,000 divided by 1,000. And I know when I divide by 1,000, let me put the little decimal there. So I'm dividing by 1,000, 1, 2, 3 places smaller. 2 times 5 times 9. 2 times 5 is 10, times 9 is 90. Rotate the shape 180 degrees. That's a half turn. So it's going to look something like this. There. Similar shapes are different size, but the same shape. Draw a shape similar to this. So you might have done this. Maybe you did this. But it's the same shape, but it's a different size. Which net does not fold into a cube? This one will not fold into a cube. Question 16, number of vertices. Vertice is where 2 or more edges meet. I have 8 vertices. Number of faces, this looks like a dice. I must have 6 faces. And the number of edges. I have 4 edges on top, 4 edges on the bottom, that's 8. Plus the 4 connecting edges. Altogether, I have 12. A bus can carry 9 people. How many buses for 45? Well, times 5. 9 times 5 is 45. So that means I need 5 buses. Question 18, 27,360 divided by 1,000, 27 whole thousands and parts. Just like that, when I'm dividing by 1,000, my decimal appears to be moving 1, 2, 3 places to the left, which is where it is. The perimeter of this hexagon is 5, 5, 5, 5, that's 20, plus 6 and 6 is 12 more, is 32. 35 minutes before 1:30 is what? Well, 30 minutes before 1:30 is 1 o'clock. And if I take away 5 more minutes, I'm at 12:55.